2 to 3 to 5. We can also show this by models. So blue would have 2 units, red would have 3 units, and yellow would be 5 units. And we're told that there are altogether 100. So as you can see, there are altogether 10 units, which is actually 100. So 1 unit must be 10. So red marbles, 1, 2, 3 units must be 30. Before, Gordon and Lisa has stamps in the ratio of 5 to 2. After, Gordon and Lisa has given 17 stamps each to Ellie. They will have a new ratio of 4 to 1. We'll draw the model now, and this is what it will look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units for Gordon, 2 units for Lisa. So if they're going to give away 17 stamps each, and they will have a new ratio of 4 to 1, which makes 1 unit to be
17.
So how many stamps did Gordon have at first? Gordon will have 5 units, so that makes 17 times 5, 85. So Gordon will have 85 stamps.